how to download Google Authenticator on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom, then tap on the search bar. Type in Google Authenticator and search for it. Select the first search result for Google Authenticator. Then tap on the install button. The Google Authenticator app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use Google Authenticator for getting your two-step verification codes. Simply tap Open, grant all the necessary permissions, then log into your Google account where you have set up two-step verification for multiple apps. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install Google Authenticator app on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.